Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects every single one of us, regardless of our age or where we are in life: finance. What actually is finance? And how can understanding it better help you achieve your goals? The goal of this video is to highlight the idea of finance itself. It's not just about managing massive bank accounts. It's about making smart decisions with the money you do have. And whether you're a student trying to budget for textbooks or you're already in the workforce, do not worry, because this video highlights every aspect of saving, investing, and exploring jobs that help me save enough for some essential textbooks and even my CBT license. So, what is finance? At its core, finance is simply the management of money. It's about how individuals, companies, and even governments acquire and manage funds. For us, on a personal level, it breaks down into three key areas. First, saving, putting money aside for future use. Second, investing, putting your money to work to potentially earn more money over time. And third, earning, finding ways to bring in income. I'm going to share some practical tips and personal stories that I used to get where I am today. The first step for many of us is just getting some cash flow. My go-to advice and how I started was selling items I didn't use anymore. Step 1 is simple. Set up an eBay account. Go through your closet, your garage. You'd be surprised what people will pay money for. It's an immediate way to generate capital from things you already own. Beyond that, I encourage you to explore little jobs around your local area. See if local businesses are willing to employ you for a few hours a week. Look into side hustles, walking dogs, washing cars, general cleaning. These tasks not only earn you money, but they help you understand basic skills and responsibilities like punctuality and customer service. I started my journey at age 13, working at my auntie's cafe. I gained some amazing experience in the coffee shop, understanding the hustle of a small business. When that shop closed, I moved on and worked in a pet shop. Simultaneously, I had my side hustle going: washing windows, cleaning cars, and walking local area dogs. I saved this money up and put it towards a rainy day savings account. But here's the kicker, and the biggest lesson I learned. The issue I had was not having enough knowledge about money. I saved everything in a standard savings account with minimal interest. If I had known back then what I know now about compound interest and basic investing strategies, I could have had a couple £100 more in my account today, just from making smarter choices about where I put my money. That's the power of financial literacy. It's not just about earning. It's about optimizing what you earn. So, to wrap this up and mention more ways you can save money, consider setting up specific savings jars or separate bank accounts for different goals. An emergency fund, a travel fund, or maybe a tuition fund. Automate your savings if you can, so a small amount moves into savings every payday before you even see it. Understanding finance isn't difficult, but it requires action. The steps are there. Earn smart, save diligently, and learn how to make your money work for you. If you like videos like this and want more practical advice, explore my other videos in finance right here on the channel. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.